clickbaiting me over here. Let's see. Let's see what he does to us, guys. I was filming, by the way, already.
Were you?
Yeah. Slides. He clickbaited us.
No, Christian, watch. She going to the left. Looks pretty cool. That. And then you already found a Native American bell. Yeah, see?
Celia Preston. That is a pencil drawing.
I found the little Native American things.
What?
That right there.
No.
Don't look weird? Don't look different to you?
No.
Bro, what is that?
That was a stingray.
Look, I don't know painters, bro, but look at this. Look.
Okay.
That's good, right?
Maybe.
The nails and then that material.
We're gonna find out right now. We just arrived. We are here at this storage facility. My first time ever buying here, and Alex has been here before. This is in his old hometown, and we are on our way to look at a 10 by 15 that I believe I paid $1,450. I only got a little bit of a look at it. I liked it, and I went high. I just put a $2,000 bid in and told myself this is my max number. If it sells, it sells. If it don't, I don't get it. Anyway, I'm excited. Yes, 10 by 15. Let's go see what we got. It's packed, and it's done by a moving company. What's that?
Smells new in here.
I like it. You see why I bid on it, Alex?
Yeah, I see it.
Because this is just what you see up front. Who knows?
Oh, is it a 10 by 10 or a 10 by 15?
It's a 10 by 15.
Okay.
It goes all the way back. You just can't. you can't see it.
Storage here. We bought this 10 by 15. It almost seems like a 10 by 10, but it's a 10 by 15. There's no ands, ifs, or buts why I bought this unit. Like, it's obvious it's a decent looking unit. What turned me on? Modern Danish looking. Looks like newer because you can see up there in the chairs, but it's still very nice. And a moving company packed it. And look, it smells like an old person, right?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think's in here?
Stuff.
Gold, silver, gems, antiques. Look at that. You see, is that a spear? You see that? It is. It's a spear. Hold on a second.
It is, yeah.
That is a straight up spear. Oh my God.
Holy crap.
That is a. Oh my.
Oh, it's a sword. Look. This end is like a sword.
A javelin?
They walk through and just go, bah.
We killed it with this storage unit? No?
Ready? Go. I can't even do it.
All right. Real quick, Alex, you haven't seen this. You've seen this for the first time. No brainer, right? $1,450?
Yeah, no brainer. And it's nice. It's like clean.
What is that? Can you just peel that back a little bit and just tell me what that is?
This?
Yeah. See how somebody did already?
Did. It is a
Okay, it's not a silver step. It's a record player.
record player.
All right. Record collection here.
Hmm.
What's in this box?
Well,
Can you see in one
nobody
box? I need to
it's
see in
open
some.
too.
I know.
It could have been her.
Oh, the manager?
No. The person who stuff it was.
What's in the first box?
2 boosts.
Bosey. Ooh, yes,
record player.
$200.
And the speaker.
It's a two-part piece.
Oh,
Okay.
that takes the thing.
What is that?
That takes the CDs. You usually don't see the ones that take the CDs like that.
They both do. Look, that's a three-part piece.
And the remote's down there.
Yep. And what's in there?
Medicine.
What else? Look in there a little bit. What's that blue box? No.
Well, it's a mask.
I like the basket. It reminds me of a handmade Native American basket of some form, potentially.
It does.
I already like this unit. Money.
Actually, that one sounds better. Ooh.
Jewelry. Silver.
There's a piece of silver. I see it from here.
A few pieces of silver. Look at that. Yeah, that's beautiful. That's silver. That's silver. That's silver. That blue one with the lapis is
Little
silver.
Buddha silver.
Nice Buddha. Make sure we show
That's
it good.
nice.
What's that little ring right there?
It's earring silver.
All right, guys, real quick though, obviously this is gonna be good. We got lots to do. We bought a mystery 10 by 30 that you guys are gonna make. We don't even know. We bought a unit that has inventory sheets, and that's all they put on it. We gambled on. We got to pick up that tomorrow. So we got to pick this up, get this back to my warehouse. Just curious to know what is actually in there. It's dishes.
Whoa.
Ooh, what's that?
Money
Chain.
everywhere.
Be careful. Money everywhere?
Money everywhere. This is why. Oh no. China? China set?
Books. You see that?
That's why it's
There's no rhyme or reason how these guys packed. Ancient and medieval history. You could tell a lot about a person by the books they read.
This thing is heavy.
It's like an office box. Oh, wow.
Wow. Very rare.
Pink dolphin? Look what you did.
Is it all books?
No, that's something else.
Camera?
No, it's gonna be weird. So much to go through.
That was a heavy box.
Look at this doll. Oh, no, that's kind of a cheap bag, a bowl, but still, I like it. Good looking. It doesn't make sense. Let's call her.
Let's call it. Oh,
Look, guys, Alex is pretending to work.
oh, that's tight. Oh.
Come on, sir.
Oh.
I don't have this kind of time. I got
Pause the
things to
video
do.
right there.
I got things to do. We're not clickbaiting. Clickbaiting me over here. Let's see. Let's see what he does to us, guys. I was filming, by the way, already.
Were you?
Yeah. Slides. He clickbaited us.
No, the picture, watch. She going to the left. Looks pretty cool. That. And then you found a Native American bell. Yeah, see?
Celia Preston. That is a pencil drawing. Maybe a 10 by 13. Like, come on.
This is how you measure it right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 8 feet halfway in. So
We're gonna check this at the end. Something ain't right here.
video, you want to make any entrance?
We're gonna go through it right here. It's the whole video, and I'll have footage, I guess. But I don't want to turn this on its side. I want to see.
It's not my cup size.
That, ooh. 925 silver. Look at that. Jackpot.
it's
Native
silver
American
too.
looking. Okay, we're
Goes in
getting
the
some.
bag. Keep the bag over there.
We'll make a pile of good stuff. Ooh.
30 cent.
Yves Saint Laurent now. Oh shit. She was puffing. There we go. Come on. Ooh.
Nice.
Yes.
Yes. Jackpot, baby.
Jackpot.
Jackpot. I'm over here looking at cards.
No, those are nice though. Look. 1 pair of silver earrings, 2 pair of silver earrings, 3 pair of silver earrings. That's a lot right there. You know where I sell those at? Shameless plug, my YouTube auction.
More breast pads.
Let's see what else is in here. Ooh.
Ooh. Okay, I'm just
at
gonna stop
that.
looking through there and let you go on and find the good stuff.
There's some sterling silver. Ooh. Look at that.
That's Native American.
It's jade. It looks more like Asian of some form.
Watch me pull something cool.
Spencer. Ooh.
Is it a pair?
I can't see, but they're little gold pieces. I found the other one of those, so that's good. Put those in the corner over there. And I think that's okay. So we have is this Burberry? Gotta load it tight, gotta fill all these holes. Books.
Never been finding little Native American things.
What?
That right there.
No.
Don't look weird. Don't look different to you,
No.
bro. What is it? See what I mean? They look different. Breakfast,
How was this thing made of?
Little John. All this weird stuff we found, that is like super cool. Nate, we're gonna find that one Native American piece that's worth some money. Look, no, look.
Looks more African.
Don't try to play that.
Dude, I know I played an African ukulele for years.
Why did they put that little cheap string on?
Hold on, you gotta
Twist
stop
and
and
then
you
you
push
push
it
it
in. I played one of these in high school.
Yeah, it looks just like that too. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's gonna give it awesome
Hold on,
sound.
hold on a second. Now, play Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Somewhere over the rainbow,
brother. Very nice. I'm scared to mess with it.
Let me message my guy and see if he gets excited.
Probably not because they put newer pieces on it. Look, I don't know painters, bro, but look at this. Look.
Okay.
That's good, right?
Maybe.
The nails and then that material.
We're gonna find out right now.
They never wrapped in plastic.
Be careful.
Ooh.
That's kind of cool. See Chistebro. Okay. One oil. Ooh, Leonardo. Ooh, a portrait of a National Gallery.
It's a print, but it's a very...
It is. Well, see, the beauty of this print is this was something the artist did, and then they re-signed it. So I like that, whoever that is. Aaron Brothers. Mildor. All right, let's see the goods. Come on, baby. Ooh.
Is that personal?
Alley.
Should we open it and get the one behind it?
Let's see.
Oh, they just did it like that. It's different name.
No, that's the same name.
Valley?
Just no, maybe not. It could be something. They do seem a little older and handmade. Look at this one in the back. See how it's much older and dirtier? But I like the... Well, you could try. Want me to send it to my guy? See what he says? What do you guys think? Unique?
Your guy, my phone's gonna go ding.
One thing I can see is you still haven't learned how to bring a knife to work.
Where's yours? Oh, okay.
You borrowed it last. Oh, you know where it's at? I'll go get it for you. It's in the truck.
Okay. All right.
I'll get it for you. It's in the
I
truck.
don't need it.
Please be careful with that.
I don't even want to touch it anymore.
Let me come in here.
No, watch out, right
Just
here.
let me come. I got it. Let me come in here.
See? Careful. Oh, hello, it's shoulder pain.
Put it down in a box. I'm gonna get all crazy.
Here.
I like it. No, don't hear me.
What?
Put it right there.
Right here, look.
I don't want to touch it. It's different.
Oh, there was two.
Look at she's. Oh, she's new. Sorry, guys.
There was two.
Hold on a second. Oh, wow.
That's just a picture, but that's a nice one.
No, it's not. Look.
Is it signed?
It's something.
Oh, it's signed too. That's nice. Look at the back.
Yeah. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna send it to my guy.
That's one that came down, right?
Mm-hmm.
What you hide behind the glass?
Oh, there's AC in here.
Promise me you'll come back and visit me.
Hold on a second.
It's been hard in here. Come visit me.
Come on. No. That's kind of cool, different.
This is feathers. Indian.
Something. This one is unique.
Dolly. Yeah, look at you.
No, but this is actually a cool colored lithograph, though. Let's watch. This is how I do it. You're not gonna hurt nothing.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah. Because the paper's thick and it's a frame now. That's just me, though. I'm a little more crazier.
Glass, please. Painting. They cooking.
I'm jealous. Let me see this one. See if I like this. It's a print, or I would like it. Paris Henry. I don't really like that. I like the motif, but I don't like it because I don't see that being a very valuable piece. This is cute.
I like that color, man.
I always want to look to see if there's any type of Tiffany signature in the stained glass or anything.
Would there be?
No, there would, yes. They often sign somewhere. Number 8, it says. That's interesting. This came off a cabinet door or something, and then they turned it into that. Ooh. This, though, I like. This is very...
It's like string.
Yeah, and see how it says Hing Q? Remember when I had pink hair?
It looks like you in the middle.
This is an interesting twist, because look, Preston Silver, that's their name. They were making or selling silver.
That's their name of the owner?
I thought they were business cards at first. We're running out of room here. We got an hour travel. We do not want to do a comeback here, so we are unpacking. Still have yet to do much unboxing. I'm gonna get this all in here, guys. All right, pirates, check it out. I managed to squeeze this whole 10 by 15 full, 10 feet wide, 15, 8 feet deep into a 6 by 16 by 7 foot tall and a little bit of that. That's why I am the hardest working man in America.
Oh, he had to.
I had to, because you know, if Uncle Michael's here, we would have never got all this. You know that, right? We'd be coming back tomorrow with my pickup.
I don't speak on no fella that is not here. But I'm just saying, if I wasn't here, it wouldn't have happened.
If I wasn't here. No, real talk though, we don't want to come back an hour. We got it done. We'll finish up. I hopefully got a whole unboxing here. If not, we're going to the market tomorrow. We're going to liquidate this whole thing, ransack it, pillage it, film it, edit it, list it, on to the next. Turn and burn. I love y'all.